This tutorial will walk you through viewing work requests that you have previously submitted to Facilities and Campus Development. So there are two places here, View Active Requests and View Historical Requests. The views look nearly identical. The only difference is that the active work requests are requests that still have a status of issued and in process or on hold, or have a status of complete but have been completed for less than 7 days. Your historical requests show requests that have been completed for greater than 7 days, and also any requests that have been canceled or stopped. So we'll take a look at the View Active Requests view. When I click that, it's going to show me a list of active requests that were submitted by me. I can click on any of them to view additional details about the request. If my list of work requests is quite long and I'm looking for a specific request, I can also use the filter fields at the top to narrow down my list. So I could type in a work request code if I know it. Maybe I'm going to search by building. I know that I want to look for requests in building NE9. I can hit enter. That will now filter my list of requests to show me only requests in building NE9. Maybe I want to look at ones that are active but completed. So I can filter it further that way. And if I click on one of these, I can see down at the bottom there's a Notes to Requestor field. This contains any notes that the craftsperson typed in when they completed the work request. There's also the document fields showing here, so these may be documents that I uploaded when I submitted the request, or it may be a document that the craftsperson uploaded. Could be a photo of a completed job, for example. So if I wanted to view one of those documents, I would simply click this Show Document icon. Another thing you can do here is click the XLS button, and that will quickly create an Excel spreadsheet with the entire list of work requests that are showing. So you click the link in the bottom left of your screen and it's going to open up Excel, and there's a list of all the requests that I had filtered on my screen. That's it. Thank you for watching.